In 1998, KOBELCO was the first in the industry to launch a short rear swing excavator, the SR series. The company continued to break new ground with its own technologies, adding the auto idling stop function and INDR. Now KOBELCO has put all the expertise and technical know-how built up over many years into a full model change for 7-ton class excavators to launch the SK75SR. Excavators that deliver the top-class performance expected of next-generation machines. In SK75SR excavators, electro-hydraulic control has been introduced for the pumps to achieve greater fuel economy and higher productivity. Pressure within the pumps is detected with sensors for optimal flow control. And to reduce energy loss to a minimum and deliver high performance, every part and process down to the smallest detail has been re-examined and new technologies implemented. The result is a dramatic saving in fuel consumption compared with the SK70SR. In continuous digging operations in S mode, which prioritizes fuel economy, fuel consumption has been cut by around 12% and productivity increased by almost 15%. But because we know our customers want to make greater savings on fuel, we've introduced a new Eco mode in the SK75SR. In Eco mode, fuel consumption is a massive 27% lower than in S mode using the SK70SR. In addition, KOBELCO's auto idling stop technology, already acclaimed by our customers, is fitted as standard. It stops the engine automatically after a period of idling time has elapsed, for example, when waiting to load a dump truck, and cuts wasteful consumption of fuel. The SK75SR also has built-in improvements in all-round work performance. The new travel motor has 6% higher torque. Its electronic control boosts hydraulic flow at times of heavy demand, and with improved steering, travel is smoother and more powerful than in previous models. The previous one pump has been increased to 3, and so the dozer is powered by an independent pump during simultaneous operations. Control over dozer operation has improved as a result. With its compact body size, the SK75SR takes up very little space, and within a width of about 3 meters, it can readily handle smooth, continuous cycles of digging, swinging, and dumping. Overall height has been kept within 2.55 meters to simplify transportation. Digging is well powered, with a maximum bucket digging force of 52.7 kilonewtons and a maximum arm crowding force of 39.4 kilonewtons. And with a maximum digging reach of up to 6,480 millimeters and a maximum digging depth down to 4,160 millimeters, it has plenty of reach. The swing speed of 11.5 rotations per minute keeps the job moving at a brisk pace. The SK75SR has a large cab to ensure safety and comfort for the operator. It complies with the rigorous ROPS International Safety Standard to protect the operator in the unlikely event that the machine tips over. Removal of the central support has cleared the view out of the right window, and with the new equipment layout, visibility to the right is greatly enhanced. A good visual grasp of the surroundings and the position of the crawlers makes for safer working. The cab is large, matching the size of cabs of regular-sized excavators, and has plenty of footroom and a spacious feel. The door opening is wide, and the left-hand control console tips back to make it easier to enter and exit the cab. The double sliding seat slides far and can be adjusted to accommodate all physiques, so all operators can work from a relaxed and comfortable posture. With a large luggage space, the seat reclines, allowing the operator to rest in a comfortable position. The SK75SR is fitted with KOBELCO's unique INDR cooling system that proved popular in the SK70SR for cutting noise. The INDR works like a single duct from the air intake to the exhaust outlet that contains the engine and cooling equipment. By eliminating other gaps through which noise escapes, the flow of air carrying noise is confined to the intake and outlet. Noise is further hindered from escaping by the layout, which offsets the cooling fan so that it's not directly aligned with the intake and outlet. The noise generated by the equipment weakens as it bounces off the duct walls, and this has a massive noise dampening effect. Only KOBELCO machines have a noise level kept below 93 decibels in the 7-ton class. This noise level, which is about the same as a mini excavator, is so low we call this an ultra-low noise machine. As well as cutting noise, the INDR system better controls the infiltration of dust and dirt. The SK75SR requires only one special INDR filter installed at the air intake to keep the cooling equipment and engine clean and free of dust. The wave-shaped surface of the 60-mesh INDR filter resists clogging while trapping even the finest dust.